morning. Okay, today we're going to do our circle time. Now remember, the name of our month is March, and we're going to do our calendar. So we'll sing the days of the week, and I want you guys to sing with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, and now we're going to count the days, and remember we always start with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and next is 27. So today is Friday, March 27. And then I want everyone to remember the color for March is green. So our teddy bear is wearing green overalls, a green shirt, green shoes, and holding a green frog. And then our shape for March is a diamond, a green diamond. And then let's do the days of the week. So today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. Next, we'll do our weather chart. So let's step outside and check the weather. Okay, so now we're outside. We still have a few clouds, but we have mostly a sunny sky. So I'm going to say today's sunny. And actually, it's not cold, and it's not all that cool. It's kind of warm today. So for today, we're going to say sunny and warm. Let's go put it on the chart. Okay, so now we're inside. So remember, the season is spring. And I said today it was sunny and warm. That's good news. So spring, sunny and warm. Now I'm going to read a story today. This story is going to actually go along with our art because later we'll be making police cars. So today's book is Police Officer by Amanda Eskew and Andrew Crossan. Okay, open your eyes, turn on your ears, and let's go. Meet Anita. She is a police officer. She helps to prevent crime and keep people safe. At 7 o'clock, Anita arrives at the police station and changes into her uniform. Anita's hat, suit, and badge makes up her uniform. Her uniform lets people know that she is a police officer. In the morning, the officers have a meeting with the sergeant. He tells them about any crimes that have happened and what their jobs are today. Anita goes out on patrol in the town. The traffic is very busy outside. The local school and the children cannot cross the road. Anita stands in the road and holds up her hand to stop the cars. I don't want you to be late for school. Thanks, officer. Then, Anita gets a message on her radio. Some computer games have been stolen from a store on Hall Street. When Anita arrives, the storekeeper is waiting outside. Officer, 2 boys stole some computer games. Please start from the beginning and tell me what happened. The storekeeper tells Anita that one boy asked him for help while the other boy put the computer games up his t-shirt. When the storekeeper saw this, the boys ran away. What did they look like? One boy was wearing a red t-shirt. The other boy had red hair. He was wearing a purple t-shirt. Back at the station, Anita phones the local school to see if anyone is absent today. Thomas and Ross Green aren't at school. Thanks, Miss Nakata. I'll go around and see their parents. On Anita's way to the Greens' home, the car in front of her doesn't stop when the traffic light turns red. Anita turns on her siren and follows the car. This tells the driver to stop. Why didn't you stop at the traffic lights? I'm sorry, officer. I was trying to swat a wasp. I didn't see the traffic light turn red. You could have caused an accident. Next time, pull over to the side of the road and stop the car first. Outside the boys' house, Anita sees Ross and Thomas. Thomas, Ross, I think we need to have a chat, don't you? Let's go inside and speak to your parents. Oh, no. Anita talks to the boys and their parents. The boys admit that they took the games. Stealing is wrong. People can go to jail for it. Instead, we'll take the games back to the store and tell the owner that you're sorry. Yes, officer, we are very sorry. We'll never do it again. And that's the end. Police officer. Okay, so now let's go do our art. We're going to make our own police car. Okay, so now we're going to make our own police car. So you should have in your kit that I prepared for you your paper plate police car, 2 black circles for the wheels, a yellow star to mark it that it's a police car, a red square for the siren, and 2 white squares for the windows. But first we need to paint it. Use whatever color you have at home. I know the story showed the police cars blue. I think the little picture that I included with today's art is blue. I don't have blue. I'm going to use black. Glendora's police cars are black. Okay, so we're going to put some some paint on the plate, but I am going to add some glue. The reason I'm doing that is because then we don't have to use glue when we glue on our wheels and windows and sirens. So just mix it all together, and then you're going to paint your police car. Miss Renee's not being a very tidy painter today. But just go ahead and paint it however you want. I have a little brush. Hopefully the brushes you have at your house right now are bigger. But let me just keep showing you. I'm painting the whole police car shape black. Okay, and then since it has glue in the paint, I can go ahead and glue on my black circle wheels. I'm going to put my red siren on top. I'm going to put my yellow star on the side of the car, and then 1 white square for one window and the second white square for the other window. And there you have it. This is my police car. Hope you have fun making your police car. Now I want to show you guys yesterday's science project. So remember we did the walking rainbow? So this has been a whole day of it sitting. And so here we have the yellow and the red joined together and they made orange. Let me see if I can move this. And then, let's see. And then yellow and blue made green. See if you can see that. And then let me try and swivel it around. And then we had blue and red mixed together to make purple. So now we have blue, we have purple, we have red, we have orange, we have yellow, we have green, and that is the colors of the rainbow. And that was a lot of fun to do. So you guys can do that anytime you want. And then for today's science, I'm sorry, but Miss Renee does not have celery at home right now. But it's really easy. Next time Mommy and Daddy are at the store, or maybe you have celery in your house right now, you just take 1 stalk of celery, but it has to have the leaves on top. So leave the leaves on. And then you will put that celery stalk in a jar of colored water, any color you want to use. You put food coloring into the water to make it color. And over time, the celery will drink up the colored water and the leaves on top will change color. Kind of fun to watch because it does take some time to see it happening. And that's today's science. I also included one more activity in your kit that I put in your boxes to take home, is to make a doctor's hat, because this week is all about community helpers. And you can try cutting it out yourself if you want, if you have your scissors at home, or you can have mom or dad cut it out for you. And you're just going to follow along the dotted line and cut it out. And then this dotted line. And then you're going to cut this dotted line. And then once you color this, any colors you want, the stethoscope, the first aid kit, and I can't remember what this is called, but basically this is the same tool that the doctor uses when he looks in your ears and your eyes and your nose. It has a little light in it. It says, I can't think of it right now. But anyway, so you take this part and you're going to staple or glue or tape the band to both sides after you measure your head, and you put it together, and it's a doctor's hat. So something else just fun to play with at home. And that's all I have for today's Friday's activities in art. I hope you guys are enjoying it. I hope you guys follow along every day. I'm posting a daily YouTube along with the projects that go with it. It is Friday, so you guys have an amazing weekend. Have lots of fun. Get outside in this beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.